was a bird with broken wings, tangled in the silence of hollow things. I had no voice, I had no dreams, just the echoes of forgotten streams. I lived in the dark where the shadows grow, too weary to fly with nowhere to go. Then you appeared, a flicker in the gray. You brought the light that washed the night away. You didn't ask for much, just held my hand and helped me find the strength to finally stand. Now I'm burning, I'm sweet, the fire's real. The cracks in my soul are starting to heal. You stand on my ground like a heavy stone, rooted in power, so I'm never alone. You anchor the storm when the world starts to shake. You are the breath that I finally take. You are my wind when I'm caught in the fire, the cooling touch of my deepest desire. You take all my burns, you heal every part, the light that you gave